Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. How do we measure the condition of the spark plugs and how often do we need to measure it? This applies to hybrid cars and non-hybrid cars. Check in the spark plugs. Stay in this video and I'll show you. So we're servicing this 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. It's actually the very same Toyota Prius, but almost 50,000 kilometers. We want to see what's the condition of the spark plugs. Are they in good condition? How do we test it? And how often do we need to service it? So stay tuned. First, let me take them out. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Hybrid Solution Diagnostic. Remember, that is the only way that you can help us create way much more amazing educational videos on hybrid electric vehicles. So go ahead, like and subscribe. All right, here are the 4 spark plugs. We're gonna measure them in a moment. But first, let's see how is the condition of the cylinder inside. All right, looking clean. Number 2 looking clean. Number 3 looking clean. Very good. Next step is the ignition coil connector. Now look, you know what this is, right? Dust and debris and cause resistance and probably small little arc. So we need to clean this and clean the coil inside. Yes, do you know that the ignition coil also requires service? Taking this out with much careful. You want to be careful. You don't want the resistor to fall, right? It has a small resistor right here. Look, I'll show you. There it is. We got to be careful with this. So let's just leave it inside. I'm gonna put this here, and then we're going to clean the spring inside the connector so that we'll have a better and smooth connection. Once it's done, we put this back in, and that should be it. So now we have to do it 3 more times. But now the moment of truth, let's inspect these spark plugs. Basically, the spark plug, what it is a very high voltage transmitter. At the same time, is a resistor. So therefore, the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to clean them, and then we're going to measure the internal resistance. To properly clean and get off of this carbon bill, because over time, if you don't do this, then when you're gonna take out the spark plug, it could get very, very much stuck in the thread because of the carbon material, which is kind of normal. Then the resistor right here with very much careful. We don't want to go too aggressive. We just want is a smooth connection. That's it, including these top connector here. Give me a second, the pin, and that should be it. So let's gotta do that 3 more times. Here we go. So all of them are clean and impeccable. Now the moment of truth. Let's measure the internal resistance. So we're gonna set it up to 6 kilo ohms. Remember that the internal resistance should be between 3 and 5, 6 maybe. So let's check. Spark plug number 1, here we go. It's giving us a reading of 3.367, which is fine. But the second one is 3.260, close, very good. These spark plugs are new. 3.107, still good. And 3.747. So between 3 and 4, these spark plugs are actually in great condition. Absolutely no problem. They're clean, ready to install back. If you get an internal resistance in a spark plug that's showing you, for example, 3.5 kilo ohms and the other one showing you, for example, 6, well, there is problem. But basically, the internal resistance in the spark plug should be always the same or close to the same. My very strong recommendation is take out the spark plugs at least once a year in your vehicle. Just clean them. You don't need to do any replacement, none of those things. They're supposed to last about 150,000 kilometers. So these are very high quality. Everything in this channel is about preventive maintenance. Before we continue, I want to thank everybody for participating in yesterday's live video. 6 hours, everybody participating, and we finally had a lucky winner of the Think Car, Think That, totally free. So Stephanie, congratulations. But the giveaways haven't finished. Look. The next giveaway is going to be the Launch C-Reader Elite for Toyota. It's a full bi-directional scan tool only for Toyota and Lexus. Amazing, right? Next week in our live video, we're going to be giving away this amazing scan tool. So if you want to know more, stick around for more tips. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of work to do here.